Right, we're back, and I have a orange piece of pen and paper. My mat is not that sticky, guys. I kind of need to get a new mat. I kind of wore this one out, so I'm going to hope it's going to stick through the process, but we'll see. So we're back at the home screen. I'll push the home button so you can see. That's the home screen. Alright, and I'm going to tell it, let me get my machine over here to me, pattern. Alright, you go to save data, my machine, and look, right there it is. See, these are the ones that I traced before, and it cuts them out. But here's the ones we did earlier, 00012, as you see, and we're going to click on that. Alright, so that's good. We could have it cut just like that if you wanted, but obviously you probably want to move your lines around or make your curve cuts deeper or shallower. So let's tell it okay. And here's where we get the tweak stuff. Now I'm doing this one-handed because I'm recording this with my phone. I wanted to get this up. Normally I would do this a little bit better, but bear with me, guys. Okay. So here we go. We have our lines here, and as you see, it highlights the line. So I'm going to cut this first cut here, and I'm going to get rid of all these other lines. So I'm going to click this button, and it gives me all these options. So I'm going to delete that and tell it okay. I can delete that one and tell it okay. And look, see, it would have cut that twice. As you see, there's another line there. So I'll delete that one and tell it okay. And then it made this one at least 2 lines, which still isn't a big deal because it cuts right where it left off. If you want, we can cut that one and you can see. In fact, yeah, let's try and cut that one. So let me come over here and get rid of this one. That way you guys can see how it cuts. See, that one's going to do the same thing. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So let's delete this. See, it cut it twice. But it's so close together that it doesn't really matter. Okay, and I'm going to go up here and delete that. I'm going to delete this line and this line. And I'll let it come over here and delete that line. And it would have cut that one twice too, which, like I said, isn't a big deal. Oh no, come on. Delete. Okay. Alright, so we're left with this and this. And that's okay. Alright, so there we have that. And I'm going to cut this one just like this and show you how it cuts. Okay, so I'm going to tell it to cut. It'll also draw your lines for you guys. So it's going to take 1 minute to cut. And I'm going to tell it to go. See, it cut it twice, which is fine. Alright. Tell it okay. And unload my mat. Alright. I'll close the door so I have more room here because I am doing this one-handed. Alright, and if you see, it didn't cut all the way at the end, and that's the ends that I usually end up snipping. So I'm going to pause this and get my scissors because I didn't bring any. Alright guys, so I got you at a different angle here. But I'm going to pull this off. And you see how it cut? There. That's what you get. That's what you get. Sorry for the wonky camera views. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. So I'm going to set this down in front of me so that I can see. And I'm going to show you. So I just take it and snip it. And then I just take this end and snip it. And see, that's that little tiny extra cut it made. It's so minuscule that it doesn't really even matter. And then this is it. And then you would take this and just put it through your paper trimmer and cut your straight line. If you wanted the machine to cut the straight line, just don't delete that line. And it would cut it. Alright, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to move your lines in case you want to cut out something specific on your paper.